गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन 8 के नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे विच इज़ इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड। सो इसमें हम ग्राफिकली थ्री इक्वेशंस को डिराइव करेंगे एंड दीज इक्वेशंस यू विल यूज इन सॉल्विंग द न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑल्सो। So first equation is velocity time relation, or it is also called as first equation of motion. So first of all you have to make this graph. Now this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Suppose एक body है, उसकी नॉन ज़ीरो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है, मीन्स हम उसका जो ट्रिप है वो रेस्ट से कंसिडर नहीं कर रहे, हम उसका ट्रिप एक कुछ इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, वो कुछ भी हो सकती है, 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड, कोई भी उसकी एक इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है, वहां से हम उसका ट्रिप कंसीडर कर रहे हैं। मान लो उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी जो है वो ये है, विच इज पॉइंट ए। अब उस बॉडी ने अपनी स्पीड को, अपनी वेलोसिटी को इंक्रीज करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, बिकॉज दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन मोशन, सो स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी दे आर इक्वल और डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट दे आर इक्वल। सो ए पॉइंट से बॉडी ने अपनी स्पीड को इंक्रीज करना स्टार्ट किया, अपनी वेलोसिटी को इंक्रीज करना स्टार्ट किया और वो पॉइंट बी तक अपनी वेलोसिटी को इंक्रीज करती गई। सो टिल पॉइंट वी इज द फाइनल वेलोसिटी। सो दिस ए बी इज द मेन ग्राफ, और यू कैन से द स्लोप ऑफ velocity time graph which is AB, it is giving us the acceleration. So B पॉइंट को सामने ज्वाइन करके पॉइंट E का मार्क कर दिया, पॉइंट B को एक्स एक्सिस पे जोड़ के इसको C पॉइंट मार्क कर दिया, A पॉइंट को हमने डॉटेड लाइन से यहाँ तक खींच के D पॉइंट मार्क कर दिया, राइट। नाउ दिस AO इज इक्वल टू DC, AO is equal to DC or CD, which is equal to U, because this is forming a rectangle and the opposite side of a rectangle are equal. Similarly, this EO is equal to this BC and is equal to V, which is the final velocity. Also, by the similar reason, OC and AD are equal, which is equal to T. Now, BD, this BD को अगर हमें निकालना है तो हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? अगर मैं इस पूरे BC में से DC माइनस कर दूं तो मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा? BD आ जाएगा। सो BD इज इक्वल टू BC माइनस DC. So BD is equal to BC is what? V, and DC is what? It is U. So V minus U. Now we will consider triangle ADB. ADB. It is a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle slope is equal to perpendicular by base. So slope is equal to the acceleration. I told you that in a velocity time graph the slope gives the acceleration. So acceleration is equal to, now perpendicular is BD and base is AD. BD by AD. BD you calculated it here, which is equal to V minus U, and AD. AD is what? AD is equal to time by T. So AT is equal to V minus U, or by lastly by simplifying it, V is equal to U plus AT, and this is the first equation of motion. Now the second equation of motion, which is also called as position time relation. In this equation you will draw the similar graph, and till BD, the way we calculated BD in the last equation is same in this equation also. Steps till BD, which is equal to V minus U, is same in this equation also. Now after that, what you have to calculate is the distance. So the distance traveled by the object is obtained by the area enclosed within OABC under the velocity time graph AB. As I told you that the slope of velocity time graph gives the acceleration, right? So this area under the graph means this. This gives us the distance or the displacement. So S is equal to area of OABC, OABC, which is a trapezium. Now this trapezium makes the two parts. this rectangle AOCD, and second the triangle ADB, right? So area of OABC, so we have divided it into area of rectangle OADC and area of triangle ABD. Now area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and area of triangle is half into base into height. Now in OADC, length is OA and breadth is OC, OA and OC, plus half. This is a triangle, so base is AD, I have written AD here, and height is BD, so BD. Now AO is equal to U, I have put U here, OC is T, plus half into AD, AD is what? T, plus into BD, BD is what? V minus U, so V minus U. Now we have to remove this V minus U. So from equation 1, V is equal to U plus AT, so V minus U is equal to AT, so instead of V minus U I have put here AT. So finally the equations become UT plus half AT square A, and these two T square. So this is the derivation for the second equation. Now the third equation, which is position velocity relation, or the third equation of motion. Again BD tak same steps, same graph, same steps till BD, which we calculated V minus U in equation 1 also. Now again here you will have to calculate distance. So distance is area of trapezium OABC, OABC. यहाँ पे हम सीधा ट्रेपेजियम का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, which is equal to sum of parallel side by 2 into height. पैरेलल साइड्स कौन सी हुई? OA एंड BC, OA प्लस BC बाई 2 इंटू हाइट. हाइट क्या हुआ? जो इन दो पैरेलल लाइन को स्ट्रेट लाइन सेपरेट करती है, दैट इज द हाइट. सो दिस OC इज द हाइट. नाउ OA is U and BC is V by 2 and OC is equal to T. Now this T we have to remove. Again from equation 1, V is equal to U plus AT. So T comes out to be V minus U by A. Put V minus U by A in place of T. This U plus V can also be written as V plus U, because these two are in addition. So U plus V or V plus U is same. So V plus U by 2 bracket V minus U by A. So V plus U and V minus U are making an identity, which is A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A minus B. So V plus U, V minus U makes V square minus U square by 2A, or 2AS is equal to V square minus U square.